So what we're doing today, guys, is leveling the bed on a SOVOL SV01 Pro. So I'm going to show you how to do it today. So you use the buttons, the screen, and you go into AUX leveling, and you come up with buttons. So we go to so go down here and get a piece of. I use receipt because it's a thin paper. If it's normal paper, it's too thick. It has to be 0.3 or 5 mil. I'm not quite sure what this one is. I shall check for you now with a vernier. So that's 0.1. It's upside down, but if you see that, 0.1. That's how thick that is. And a normal piece of paper is look at that piece of paper. Find a piece of paper. So a normal piece of paper, as you can see, it's a normal piece of paper, is is 0.4. So receipt paper is thinner. So receipt paper is thinner, which is why I use that, because it's within the parameters that it needs. So receipt paper, any receipt paper, this is from petrol station or something I think. So then you put it underneath, and then there's that little, if you can see that in the pictures, it's like a little wheel. So you can see there's a lot of play under that. So you turn the wheel up and down, until there's a little bit of resistance on it. See, it's quite easy to move there. So we'll keep moving it until we can't move it. I think I'm moving it the wrong way. See, it's starting to catch. See, it's harder to move now, so we'll push it back a bit. See, that's just binding on there now. So we go to number 3, which is this side. Again, put it underneath. See, there's a lot of play on there. See, as soon as I move it, there's not as much play on there now. Number 4, which is this one. I normally do this when the bed is at optimum temperature, personally, because obviously heat expands and contracts. So if you do it when it's stone cold, obviously you're going to get a different reading to what you've got when it's hot. So I always find to do it when it's, you see that one's very, so then we'll move it back a bit, move it forward a bit. Then we'll go back to number 1, which is centre. We'll see that's moving freely under there. So we do leveling on that one. This one's done electronically by the leveling app on the thing. Now testing how far away it is with the feeler gauge. And we'll put it back underneath just to make sure it's okay. And then we will go to auto leveling. I shall take you off this mount to show you that. So this is the machine. This is how you change the up and down on the centre. And AUX leveling is is 1. So I've just done that. So 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is there, 5 is there, and 1 is centre. And then we go to auto leveling, and then it will go through. A little alien on a pad, so it'll go 4, 8, so 16 times it will go through that. So I'll put you back on the mount whilst it does that. So that's the first row that's done now. So it's now doing the second row, so now they finish the second row. So that's the second row that's done now. It's now doing the third row, as you can see. If you wouldn't mind, like, comment and subscribe to the channel, as it helps the growth on the channel. If you'd like me to show you how to do anything, I'm more than happy to show you on the camera how to load a filament, or how to take it to bits and put it back together again to repair it, or so on. Let me know and I will make that video for you. So that's done that's done now. That should be ready for printing something off of your choice. Hope that helps somebody, and I'll catch you on the next one.